What's up, world? It's your girl Gigi coming at you with another video, guys. I am in the car and I am so happy. I'm traveling for work, guys, so you know I check out these restaurants. I Google them, I call them, I quiz them, and I found me an authentic Jamaican restaurant. Yes, it's called K&K Jamaican Restaurant. And it is so good. I have the oxtails, rice and peas, cabbage, and plantains. And I am about to go in. You hear me? I told you guys we're doing restaurant reviews, we're doing recipes, we're doing product reviews. And before you know it, we're gonna do a road trip. Yeah, this is a little road trip right here, guys. This is the segue into my trip to New York in the next 2 days. So just stand by, y'all, because we're gonna do some good eating. Without further ado, I'm gonna go on and I'm gonna try some of this goodness. Woo! It's so good. You know, I have to do a whole quiz before I could purchase anything. And I felt like I was really insulting those brothers in there. They was like, our food make its own gravy. We use herbs and spices. We don't use no flour. We don't use no cornstarch. We use herbs and spices. And I said, okay then. I don't want to start shouting. Y'all. But if I tell you this is goodness, I mean, it's good. OMG. And I put that pepper sauce on it, y'all. It's good. It's so good. I love it when I can feel safe and comfortable ordering some food. So this place is called K&K Jamaican Restaurant. It's here, 1550 Summit. It's right here in Hillside, New Jersey. Hillside, New Jersey, guys. I'm just eating the rice and the gravy. I hadn't even started eating the oxtails yet. I have oxtails, cabbage, rice and peas, and plantains. And I'm savoring the flavor, y'all. This is so good. It's so good, y'all. Guys, you see all this? $15. $15, that's it. OMG. Very good. Very good. Guys, when you're gluten free, there's nothing like being able to go somewhere that's safe for you to eat. And it's good. They didn't sacrifice flavor at all because it's naturally gluten-free. Naturally gluten-free. I don't take life for granted at all, guys. Eating is a necessity. And before I was diagnosed, I couldn't eat anything without having some form of a reaction. So to be able to go into a restaurant, just walks in, order anything off the menu pretty much, and not have an issue, That's a little piece of heaven, guys. And their gravy is a little red. And that's what I remember growing up. My Aunt Dorothy, she made red gravy. And so they have the white beans in the oxtail. OMG. It's good. I couldn't make it back to the hotel room with this plate, guys. It's really, really good. Oh, I put some of that pepper sauce on it by Grace. Woo! My lips burning just a little bit, but it's good. I'll sacrifice it. Look at those rice and peas. Delicious. I'm so happy right now. I am happy. Very happy. Very happy. I came by on Sunday and they were closed. So I was in the area and I made a little right turn and there they were. And everything is fresh and delicious. You know, guys, eating is an experience for me. Because it's actually, in most cultures, it's how we socialize. It's what families do. It's what friends do. It's what you do to celebrate holidays, birthdays. Hey, so when you eat, it's important and it's necessary. It is very necessary to enjoy what you eat. And every time I eat, that's my goal. My family can tell you, when I eat, I make a big deal out of it. And when I find something good that I can eat, I make a bigger deal out of it. This restaurant, K&K, Jamaican restaurant at 1550 Summit in Hillside, New Jersey, is good. I want to give them a shout out. I wanted to eat in. The guys were really nice, but they were playing music, so I couldn't do my video. So I elected to eat in my car. I'll tell you what, it's good. Growing up, I had a beautiful neighbor, and she was family. She was family. Auntie Gail. And she used to make oxtail soup, guys. That oxtail soup would have you sucking them bones. I would suck them bones. And I didn't care if nobody seen me. I would suck on those bones. Because good. Hers was so good. And she used to put a lot of vegetables in hers. And that made it really good. Ready to try the plantains. See that? They pretty. They real pretty. They're good. I'm not sure if this plantain season or not because they have a season. I like oxtails, but my busy lifestyle, I don't have the patience. I might do it one day on the channel, but that's when I learn how to edit. And you guys know these are raw and uncut videos. Ain't no editing going on. You're going to see one come across your screen where I tried to edit. You're going to say, what in the world is Gigi doing? So for right now, we're going to stick to the raw videos. We're not going to worry about editing. But guys, this food is really good. I'm thoroughly pleased. It wasn't super expensive. I'm enjoying it. They had great customer service. This will definitely be 2 meals because it's a lot of food. This plate probably weighed 4.5 pounds. I'm not exaggerating. You definitely get your money's worth. And they told me to go do a Yelp review for them. And I'm going to do just that. That hot sauce got your girl kind of breathing over here. It's good though. But that hot sauce, I think I put a little too much on there. I get so happy when I can eat food out. It's not all the time that I can eat food out. I'm going to try to hit every spot up here that I can. And I will give you an honest review. I don't cut corners when I do reviews. Guys, they weather switched up. It was 64 yesterday and today is 34. That's a big difference. My toes are cold. Well, when I was outside, my toes were cold. See how I cleaned that little bone? Anybody that know me know that I love oxtails. Know that I love Jamaican food. I search high and low till I find something that I can eat. But what I found is it's really safe for me to eat Jamaican food because typically when you go somewhere, they make all their gravies and their sauces from cornstarch. So you don't have to worry about wheat. That's right. So it's normally a very safe food. It's one of my go-tos, especially when I'm traveling for work. The plantain's so clean and good. Everything is good. I have no complaints. Customer service was good. Oxtails are very expensive for the restaurateur to purchase, so I understand if they don't give you a whole lot, but they gave me ample enough to eat now and have some for later. Here's some spots in Atlanta that sell Jamaican food. You have to almost fight to get an ample portion. And they charge. I didn't have to say nothing to these brothers. They just put that food on my plate with no problem. The cabbage is excellent. It's not overcooked. As you can see, I am well pleased with my meal. Well, beautiful. For years, I was finding it very hard to digest food when my gut was healing, when I first was diagnosed with a gluten intolerance. So even though foods were gluten-free, my stomach, my gut, it just wasn't in the best of shape. So I found it very hard to digest food. But now your girl straight. I'm eating to enjoy food, not just eating to live. And this right here makes me happy. You want to make me happy? Give me a good, wholesome, gluten-free meal. You got your girl. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, and tell your friends and your family and your co-workers and your partners. We will be doing gluten-free restaurants, reviews, recipes, and products. Don't forget, guys, when you live in a gluten-free lifestyle, and this is something that you have to do, you're not doing it because it's a trend, you have to make everything gluten-free. From your lip gloss, to your shampoo, to your body oils, and your foods. It's not just your food. Gluten is found in a lot of things. It'll sneak its way into your shampoo, your conditioner. Yeah. So you have to be very careful, guys. This, guys, was a great meal. As you can see, I don't even know if I covered half of this plate. But it's still a bunch of food left here. I can't eat anymore. I have enjoyed this food. I have enjoyed sharing my journey at K&K Jamaican restaurant with you guys. If you're ever in Hillside, New Jersey, or in the New Jersey area, hit them up. This is a great restaurant, and the customer service was superb. Bathrooms clean. All I can say, it was so good. And I will definitely be coming back probably tomorrow, because they say they do their jerk chicken on the grill. So you know your girl gotta have some of that jerk chicken before I leave here. Yes and yes and yes. I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed sharing with you guys. Thank you for being on my journey with me, guys. Taking this journey with me. Thank you for telling your friends about me. Thanks. We're growing, and we're going to be doing some different things as we grow. And guys, we are on our way to 100 subscribers, and I am so happy. If no one has told you today or ever, I'm telling you, you're beautiful inside and out. God loves you, and so do I. Have a great day.